Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do your own mani at home. As you can tell, I need one so bad, but we're going to make them look like this right here. I'm going to show you guys how to make it as if you went to the nail salon. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is use a nail remover, and I put my nail remover in this cute little bottle that I got at the Dollar Tree. And all you have to do is, obviously up here it's like a little pump, and you squeeze it down with your cotton or whatever you're going to use, and the acetone comes out real quick, and it's super nice and convenient, so that way you don't make a mess or waste too much acetone. Once I'm all done removing my nail polish, I like to soak my fingers inside of a bowl of water, and I'm just using a normal bowl with water inside, and I'm going to add a little bit of hand soap in there, and I'm going to soak my fingers in there for about a good 2 minutes. That way it softens up my cuticle, and then the hand soap is going to clean my fingernails really good. The reason I like to soak my hands in water, it is because it's easier for me to push my cuticles back. Now to push my cuticles back, I am going to use this Cuticle Pusher that I bought at Amazon. You can find it there, and it is stainless steel, which I really love, and it pushes them back really nice and easy, especially when you soak them, guys. So don't forget to soak your fingers so it could be so much easier for you to push your cuticle. Now moving on to this nail cuticle remover, and it's stainless steel, and I found it at Amazon as well. And I like to remove my cuticle just because it gives me a nice beautiful nail bed, and my nail polish just looks prettier and cleaner. Now moving on to the nail clippers, I am just going to go ahead and cut to the length that I want. Of course, this is all preference. Everybody likes their nails different. I like mine pretty short, and I just like to cut the edges. That way it will be easier for me to file when I grab my filer. Now moving on, this is a nail cuticle pusher that I was using earlier. On the other side of it, it has this really sharp edge that I like to use to clean inside my nails. That way I take out all the dirt. Moving on to the nail filer. I love this nail filer right here because it's very thin, so it's easier for me to go in between my nails and shape them really good. As you can tell how I'm going through the edges, I like to grab the edges really good, so that way I can have more of a square shape. But of course, this is all preference. You can shape your nails as you want, but I highly recommend that you buy a really thin nail filer. You can find this, of course, at Target, Walmart, wherever they sell nail supplies. Alright, so this right here is a nail buffer. I like to use a nail buffer that is very light on the nails, that is not too rough, just softens the nail bed, because this is going to remove all the oils, and it's important to do this step because it will make your nail polish last so much longer. So always buff your nails. Once I'm done with that, I make sure I clean my nails and I remove all the little dust around me, and it's time to start painting. Now I'm going to use this nail cleanser from the Kiss brand that I found at Target, and this just helps remove all the little dust left on the edges, and of course removes all the oils for your nail polish to last longer. Now moving on to this ESSIE nail base coat that I love so much. It is always important to use any base coat that you love. That way it doesn't stain your nails with the nail polish that you're using, because sometimes it can stain them and leave them yellow. Now moving on to the nail color. This color is called Style and X's by the ESSIE brand. This is their new gel lacquer line. You can tell the bottle is a little bit different, but no, I am not sponsored by ESSIE, but I am a big fan of the ESSIE brand, and this new gel lacquer brand, it is very awesome because it dries super fast, so I don't have to like smush my nails or anything. And you know, being a mom is kind of like, you want an easy way out, so you find something that's going to dry super fast. So I am going to do 2 coats on my nails, but first I start off with 1 coat on both nails, and then I let it dry and I do a second coat, which is going to give me the color even more vibrant. But all you need is 2 coats with this new gel line. That's why I love it so much, and like I said guys, it dries up so fast. So these right here are a set of nail brushes that I ordered from Amazon. It comes with a pack of 7, and I ordered them just simply because I like to use whichever one I'm comfortable with to dip in acetone and clean around the edges of my nails, so that way if I mess up and I accidentally painted my fingers, I use the brush to clean really good and have those edges nice and clean, and it looks like I put a sticker on my nails instead of painting them. That's how perfect the brush leaves them. Now moving on to the top coat, I got this Speed Setter ESSIE Top Coat that literally speeds up the process and dries up your nails so quick. So if you're always in a hurry and you want your nails to dry up so quick like I do, then I highly recommend this one. And it leaves the top looking super shiny as if I did gel nails. But that is it, guys. That was my gel manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Super easy, as you can tell. They look fabulous, like if I went to the nail salon, but I did them at home. If you guys enjoyed my nail manicure tips, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't for more awesome videos in my channel. Before I leave, what is your favorite nail polish brand? I would love to know that, so leave it in the comments down below. And thank you guys for all the support you always show me on Instagram, here on YouTube, and I'll see you guys on my next video.